Hello everyone, my name is Julliana, and I'm a team programmer with the York County Public Library. Today we're going to learn how to transfer images onto wooden slices. First, you'll need some Mod Podge, any kind will do. Then you'll need your wooden slices, these are about 3.5 inches. Next, you'll need your printed images. Then you'll need a paintbrush to use with the Mod Podge, and optional, a hairdryer to speed up the drying process. Alrighty, so first what you'll want to do is you'll want to get your Mod Podge, and using the paintbrush, you'll want to coat the wooden disc. You don't want to do a super thick coat, but you want to make sure that it's on there. So as you can see, I'm just painting on the Mod Podge onto the wooden discs, little by little. Once again, you don't want a thin coating, but you don't want a super thick coating either. Alrighty, now once you have the disc completely covered, you'll then want to put Mod Podge on the image itself. Now this one can be a thin coating. You don't want it too thick or it'll wrinkle the paper. And you want to make sure you cover the whole image. Alrighty, so once you get the whole image coated in Mod Podge, you'll then want to lay it down onto your coaster with the image facing down. And you'll want to press firmly with your fingers to make sure it adheres. Now don't press too hard or you might rip the paper, but just firmly enough to make sure it's really stuck completely. You want to make sure there's no bubbles or else your image won't transfer completely. There you go. Now you can see that it's completely covered. And I'm going to go ahead and start on the second one. Alrighty, so now both of my coasters have their images attached. Now this step is optional. You can either leave it to dry overnight or you can use a hairdryer to speed up the process. But basically what you need is for the glue to completely dry before we start the next process. But for the sake of timing, I'm just going to go ahead and use the hairdryer. Now that the Mod Podge is completely dry, I'm now going to use a foam brush and some water. What we're going to do is you need to cover the paper with water and completely saturate it. What this will do is make it easier to remove the paper and leave the image behind. As you saturate your paper, it becomes translucent. What you'll do next is use your finger to gently rub away the white parts. Don't rub too hard or you'll rub away the image itself. As you can see, the image is being left behind as you're rubbing away at the paper. You'll continue to do this until all pieces of the paper is gone. And there you go. You now have beautiful fall-themed coasters, and it was super easy to do. Thanks for watching.